New YouTubers having a challenge with creating a YouTube banner with their phone. This video is for you. Most of you are having challenge creating a YouTube banner for your channel because after creating your banner, you realize that it's not giving the result you want, or most of the parts are cropped out. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner with your phone. My name is Victoria Ichezna, and before I continue with this video, I want you to rush now to my channel and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos on how to grow your YouTube, your social media accounts. You are going to enjoy it, believe me. The first thing to do is to go to Google, type in YouTube banner size. YouTube banner size. Once you have typed in YouTube banner size, Google will show you the size of the YouTube banners that you need. Click on image. You click on image because you see AI overview, then you click on image to show different images. Click on anyone you like. Once you have clicked on it, click on visit. Once you have clicked on visit, you scroll up the website to get the video, then highlight and click on the image again, and then you will see download option for download it, and it will enter your phone directly. Now it is time to create your banner. Go to Canva and type in YouTube banner. Once you have typed in, there are so many different options for you here, but we are not going to use those ones because if you use them, it is going to give you a bad result. So you are going to click on create a new image so that we can create a new banner from ourselves. Don't choose any of the banner templates on Canva. There are so many of them, but don't choose any of them because if you choose any of them, it's not going to give you the result you wanted. Okay, then once you have clicked on, you go to your gallery and import that image that you downloaded from Google. Once you have imported the image, we crop it out. You crop it out to get that middle line, that middle tiny line on the image. Once you have gotten that, you click on done. You have cropped it out. Now you are going to go to Canva elements. You are going to click on elements on Canva. Once you have clicked there, you click on any of these boxes here. You click on square. Make it the size, the exact size of the image that you cropped out. That image that is there that you cropped out, you make it the exact size. Look at what I'm doing here now. Then once you know that is the exact size, you take it to the back. Click on position and move it to the back. Once it has moved to the back, you highlight the image in the middle. Highlight the image to delete that image out. The reason why we needed that image is to get the exact size of our YouTube banner. Now you go ahead, after you have deleted the image, you go ahead and choose the color you want for your banner. Any color that you want. Me, I choose black because I want black. Then if you want to make it, the black is too dark, I want it a little lighter, you click here and choose the area you want it to be. Select any area. Look at that circle that is moving, angle that is moving around. You select the one you want. Now my black is a little bit lighter and is no longer darker. Then the next thing to do is to go to the elements and type fade. Fade is going to show you different options. Look at these things now. It's just to add a little design, a little something to it to pop out the design. So you can choose anyone you want. You can choose one that has blue and purple color in it. You can choose one that has black, any fade shade that you want. So me, I'm going to go ahead, I choose this one, but it seems as if is not giving me the result I wanted, so I had to delete it. I went back there and choose another one. This one is out of shape, so let me choose another one. Yes, this is the perfect example of what I needed. And now I have selected this one, so I'll drag it to slide down a bit, and I'll go to transparency and click on it to reduce it so that it will fade more. You understand? Now the next thing for me to do now is to go to that same element. Now we are not going to choose the shapes that are there. You have to scroll down and choose frame. Frame is different from shape. The frame, when you put a frame on a design, it will help you to drag in any photo or image to that frame, and it will be the shape of the frame, you understand? Yes, but shape will be shape, it will be like that. It's not going to change any form or anything. But frame, if you want it your image to be in circle, you use a circle frame. If you want your image to be square, use a square frame. If you want your image to be inside a phone, like a phone or a laptop, then you choose a laptop or a phone frame. You understand? Now look at these frames, look at how they look. And once you have selected one, you minimize it to the size of the box that is there. You minimize it. I choose circle. Minimize it to the size that you want to enter that box. Once you have minimized it, you go to your gallery, select any photo of your choice, any photo that you want to use as your YouTube banner. You select any one and drag the photo into that frame. Look at it, it's going to give you that shape, that frame shape. Now the next thing for you to do is to add text. You go to the text, add text, then you write whatever you want to write. It can be your YouTube name or anything that you want to write there. You write it and put it, design it the way you want. Then you go to font, select the font that you want. Now me, I'm selecting this font because I love this one. You select the font that you want. Then after selecting the font that you want, the next thing for you to do is to add a subheading. Subheading, it can be what your channel is all about. It can be a brief, one line sentence of what your channel is all about, or any other thing that you wish to add to read. Then after adding it to read, the next thing for you to do, maybe if you want to add your Instagram account, your Facebook account, then you go to that element. You go to elements, type Facebook logo. It will bring out Facebook logos for you. Choose the one you want and input it. Then put the name of your Facebook channel, of your Facebook. If you want to add your Instagram name, channel, your Instagram handle, you go to the element there and choose Instagram logo. It will bring out different Instagram logos for you. Select the one you want and add the name to it, closer to it. Minimize it and add your name to it, and that is it. I chose to add a subscribe button to my own instead of Instagram or Facebook. So anyone you want, just browse it and use. We are done with the design. Now, to make sure that we got the exact size of the YouTube banner, you go back to the photo you downloaded from Google, click on it and bring it to the page, add it to the page. Make sure that all the name, the pictures and everything that you added on your channel enter this middle line of that photo. If it did not enter, then you try to adjust it. Make sure that everything enter that middle line there. Adjust it. If it's something that you can reduce, you reduce some things or crop out some parts so that you enter that exact image, that exact middle line of that Google photo. Once everything is set, check it out one last time, then you are done. Download your work and save it. Then go to your YouTube channel and click on the edit channel to upload the photo. You see that it's going to give you the result that you want. It's going to come out well in every device, both desktop, both phone and both laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I teach you everything you need to grow your social media accounts and your YouTube channel. Bye.